In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Authenticator not working in 2025. If you've been struggling with your Google Authenticator app not generating the right codes, or you're being locked out of your accounts, don't worry. Together, we'll walk through some straightforward steps to resolve these issues. Let's get started. First, let's talk about your browser settings. It's possible that your cached data or cookies might be interfering with your two-factor authentication. I recommend starting by clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This process can differ slightly depending on the browser you're using, but generally you'll find the option to clear browsing data within your settings or privacy menu. Clearing this data can often resolve any conflicts that prevent the authenticator from working correctly. If you prefer a more focused approach, you can choose to clear only the cookies for the specific website you're trying to access. This way you don't lose all your browsing data. Most browsers allow you to manage cookies individually, usually under a section like Site Settings in your privacy settings. Simply find the site that's giving you trouble and remove the cookies associated with it. Next, let's consider any extensions or add-ons you have installed. Sometimes browser extensions can inadvertently block or interfere with websites, including those that use two-factor authentication. To test if this is the issue, try disabling your browser extensions. Again, each browser will handle this a bit differently. Typically, you'll need to access the extensions or add-ons menu from your browser's settings. Disable them temporarily to see if it resolves the authenticator issue. If you're still facing problems, another useful troubleshooting step is to try using a different browser. Switching browsers can help determine if the issue lies with the browser itself or your account settings. Install a different one like Firefox or Edge and attempt to sign in again. This will give you additional insights into the problem's root cause. Another aspect to consider is your internet connection. A slow or unreliable connection can cause problems with receiving or verifying the codes generated by your Google Authenticator. Make sure your connection is stable. You might need to restart your router or even switch networks to check if the issue persists. If you're still stuck but have your backup codes, now's the time to use them. Backup codes serve as a contingency for when the Authenticator app isn't working properly. With these, you can access your account and reconfigure the Authenticator to ensure it's set up correctly. Finally, if none of these steps resolve your issue, consider using the account recovery process to regain access. Account recovery is typically the last resort, as it involves verifying your identity with the related service provider. Check the support section of the website you're attempting to access for guidance on recovering your account. And there you have it. These steps should help you fix issues with Google Authenticator not working. I hope these tips have been helpful and that you're back into your accounts effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and good luck.